Today I'm going to show you about the creation of the tornado. Anyways, I'm just gonna name it. Huh? Wait here, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna drink some water. Came back, guys. I'm gonna. This looks a little bit too long, but I'll just accept it. Definitely not going with interceptor like that. The wind, the thing. This is actually starting to lag this phone. By the way, I'm using my grandpa's phone. Doesn't really use it. I'm gonna attach this now. Okay, for me, I'm gonna do a video on why your interceptors keep getting lifted. Soon. It's gonna be soon. It's gonna be soon. And I'm not lying. It's gonna be soon. Yep, that is too long. Short beams. Some more short beams. This is gonna have airbags, which pretty much drops this interceptor down. It's new. It's new. I was planning to just build it without you guys see. It would be like a surprise gift, but I just wanted to record it. So this doesn't look good. So I'm gonna search. Yeah, that looks good. We have to extend this a little. Oh my gosh, that actually looks terrible. And I hope I got no ads this time. Bro, my Wi-Fi is off. What? I forgot. Boom. Wi-Fi off. My Wi-Fi is officially off, y'all. The base. This. Oh. Crazy stutter right there, bro. And I will also be creating why your tornado interceptors are unstable soon. That is a extremely obvious reason. Your vehicle does not have supports. Okay, I'm making this. Holy crazy reference of Dominator 3. Looks like the Dominator 3 a lot. Because of its curved back. This is originated from a Ford Tahoe. stay tuned for more episodes. Actually, I'm gonna create a part 2 if this video reaches 50 more subscribers. I'll be extremely happy. So peace. I'm out, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2, by the way. Bye.